Hi and welcome to this new video, and today, as you have read the title, it's part 1 concerning my Longchamp Winter sale, because if you follow my channel, you know I have unboxed 2 bags, my 2 dream bags. These are my Roseau Luxe, the shoulder bag and the handbag in size M. I will link the video if you missed this unboxing. But as I have told you in a previous video, I bought more things during the winter sales, and all the items I will be sharing with you through times on my channel, I bought them directly in boutique. And without further ado, let's unbox and discuss. Yes, as you can tell, it's huge. It does not contain all the items because I've got several bags. So here is the very first one. And as you can read, it is not written Longchamp because, as you know, Longchamp Boutique made sales and they were interesting, but for the kind of item I was looking for, I already told you that you have to look, if you have the possibility, to official Longchamp reseller, to back shop. They are also offering most of the time Longchamp item, and most of the time they offer better sales. So I'm going to unbox the item and to explain you everything. And I have to say I am quite satisfied because I can tick on my wish list, because there are 3 items. There will be 3 unboxing, but 2 of them were really on my wish list. So without further ado, let's unbox the very first one. Yeah! And yes, I'm talking about Pliage bag. On my wish list, I have explained you, I will also link this video, I explained you that I was really looking for backpack, Pliage backpack, the oldest version, which is no stops, but you can still find some on the internet, and still in the boutique there are some stock left. So if you really want this item, you can still find some. And during the sales, I was on the hunt for colors that I haven't got. I was really lucky to find this backpack. So this is a Pliage green backpack. Green because, as you can see, you've got silver hardware and it is the same color. The leather part and the nylon part is the same color, and this color is the Peacock one. And I have always told you that I was really looking for a Peacock item, and I choose the backpack. And the thing that is great for me is that this backpack, so as I told you, is no more produced. You have the new model, but the backpack used to cost 120 euro. Yes, and it's not a crazy amount, but it is still an amount. And thanks to the sales, I got it at half price. Yes, you hear me well, I paid only 60 euro for this bag. Crazy. Crazy because, as I give you the tip, if you have the possibility to go to official resellers, to back shop, maroquinerie in French, they are proposing most of the time Pliage bag at crazy prices. And my second tip is to go at the end of the sales period, nearly the end, the last week, because at the very beginning this bag was reduced at 30%, and I went at the last time. It's a bit risky, maybe there are no more items. Thanks to my sales associate, I called them and they put me aside the bags, but I got a very long-term relationship with them, so that's also something I have to admit. When I came, they have increased the sales, and so I got it at half price. So have a look at it. The color is gorgeous. It is also green because you have the little horse embroidered here. So let's open it. And I am happy because this model is no more produced and I really wanted it. You've got one main compartment. The inside is gray, which is kind of good because I know a lot of people are complaining about white interior and I can understand. And you have one main big flap pocket. Oh, and here is the Longchamp tag. So I am really over the moon to get the color I wanted and at a great price. Oh, and also it is green because you've got the glazing in this light green. So this is the very first item I picked. Let's go to the second one. And the second one, with no surprise, it's also a Pliage backpack. Oh, this bag got the stickers. The first one got no stickers. Well, it's just a detail. So, in fact, in the shop, two backpacks were remaining. This one and the Peacock one. And as you can tell, this one comes from the Pliage original line because the leather is in brown, as well as the handle. You've got gold hardware, and if you open the bag, you will see that there is no embroidered horse, so we are in the Pliage original line. And I picked the steel acier color. Oh, I love it. It's really classy, it's easy to use also, and I am super happy to add this color. It's the same principle. You've got the zip all around this part and you've got the flap with a button to close it and secure it. And inside you've got one main compartment. It's also gray, as you can tell. And this time the flap pocket is on this side, you see. So here it is. And of course you've got the Longchamp tag. And I am super happy, and of course this one was also half price, so I just paid 60 euro for this bag. So let's resume. I got two backpacks and I am super happy because I really like this model, and I got two for the price of one. So I am more than happy. The colors are just great because I already have two in my collection. I already have this pink one, this really light pink one from the Pliage Club collection, and I got the one I got last year during the summer sales, this one in the cypress color, which is great. I love it, but since I learned that this model will no more be produced, I really wanted to add more in my collection, so I'm happy. I can tick it on my wish list, and here they are. To be honest, I think I've got 4 of them in perfect color. I think that's all. I will buy no more. I will enjoy those 4. One. And as I told you, I got 3 bags, and the last one, it was not on my wish list, to be honest. I just have concerning the Pliage, the backpack, but when I was in the boutique, all the products were on shelves, and I gave a look on the shelves and I was like, oh wow, you still got one. You will understand why I'm telling this. I picked, yes, a Pliage size M with a long handle in the burgundy color. And it's crazy because this bag was such a success, seriously, and it was really fastly sold out everywhere. And the Longchamp boutique, I know, they don't have it. So I was really surprised to see one left in the back shop. And of course, this one was also half price. This bag retails for 120 euros, so once again I just pay 60 euros for this one. So here is the Longchamp Pliage size M original in the burgundy color, and I really like it. I do not hesitate because I will tell you the truth. I was not into buying this color to add this color in my collection. I like burgundy, but I already have a bunch of pliage in size M. But I have to say that I find it really cute when I saw one of the loveliest French YouTuber, Tendance Clémence, who bought this bag. And when I saw it, I said, yes, burgundy is a nice color, but I was not ready to pay the full price because I got also a big collection. So everything changed when I was in the boutique and I just see the last one on sale. I do not hesitate. So here it is. It's gorgeous. And let me show you what I got in my collection. Here are all the M size I got in my collection. And yes, I'm missing one. It's upstairs. It's a violet one. I got two green, one in the sky blue and one in tomato. I got four, because I told you the violet is upstairs, but I got four traditional one, original one, candy pink, yellow and a light green. And I've got three of them from the Pliage Club line, one in white, one in violet also, and one in gunmetal. It was called fusil in French. So I got all this one, and that's the reason why when I saw burgundy, I was not, I found it was cute, but I was not willing to buy it. But half price, my mind changed very easily. So I will show you the inside. It's a gorgeous color, and here is the inside. So you've got gray interior, sorry. You've got one tiny flap pocket with, here you can see the Longchamp tag. And on the other side, because the originals got two pockets, the green line only one pocket. The second pocket is bigger, and here it is, and voila. I am a huge fan of Pliage bags. I love it. I have to admit, but I think I already explained you. At the very beginning, I was crazy about the S size, you know, the tiny one with the two short handles. But the more I get older, the more I appreciate the M size with the long handles. I am happy every time I can add one in a lovely color, and of course at a great price. So my friends, here is the very first part of the item I bought in the boutique. And I insist, if you have the possibility during the sales to go to back shops, of course with official Longchamp resellers, I insist on that. Try to do not buy fakes online or so on. Be sure about the origin of the bag. But if you got this possibility, you can have the item at crazy prices. No jokes. And if you follow my channel, you can see that since several years now, I am growing my collection like this. Because I'm okay to have the color later. I'm not willing to have the new color right when they are launched. I don't care about it. I just want to have something nice at a great price, so I'm ready to wait for the sale. Longchamp do not offer those classic pliage line on sale. I have done a review about it, I will link it. So this is a good alternative, either on website, either directly in the boutique. Have a look, because you can have great bargains. So that was the first part. As I told you, I bought several other item during the winter sales, but I will release them later and I will explain you how it happened and the price I paid, and you will discover what I got. So thanks for your support. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, please feel free to write in the comment section. I will be more than happy to answer you. And we see us soon in the next video. Till this next video, take care. I love you and we see us soon. Bye bye.